Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is Freelancer billing error 2026. There can be several common reasons. Incorrect payment details, wrong card number, expiry date, CVV, or billing address can cause errors. Insufficient funds, your card or account does not have enough balance to complete the transaction. Bank restrictions, your bank may block online or international payments for security reasons. Expired or inactive card, an invalid or expired card will not be accepted. Payment gateway issues. Temporary problems with the payment processor may interrupt billing. Subscription or invoice issues. Problems with recurring payments, invoices, or disputes can trigger errors. Security or fraud checks. Unusual activity may be flagged and blocked automatically. Currency or region limitations. Some payment methods may not work in certain countries. If the issue continues, verify your payment details, try another method, or contact Freelancer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.